Hello everyone, it's me Prey and today we are learning some English idioms with the help of movies and TV series. Let's go! A blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise. It means something that seems bad or unlucky at first but results in something good happening later. For example, losing my job was a blessing in disguise because I found a better one. So maybe when I lost my job, it seemed bad at first. I could have been angry, frustrated, upset, but then I realized it was a blessing in disguise because it led me to find a better one.
It's blessings in disguise.
Well, maybe it's a blessing in disguise.
This might be a blessing in disguise.
Maybe this is a blessing in disguise.
Piece of cake. Piece of cake. It means very easy. When something is really easy, you say it's a piece of cake. For example, the test was a piece of cake, or the exam was a piece of cake.
Piece of cake!
Yeah, it's a piece of cake.
This'll be a piece of cake.
Should be a piece of cake.
A picture is worth 1,000 words. A picture is worth 1,000 words. It is often easier to show something in a picture than to describe it with words. So it means one picture can explain something better than a lot of words can. For example, the photo of the sunset was beautiful. A picture is worth 1,000 words. So the photo of the sunset was so beautiful, and I couldn't have explained it even if I wanted to, even if I took 1,000 words. So a picture is worth 1,000 words.
A picture is worth 1,000 words.
They say a picture is worth 1,000 words.
A picture's worth 1,000 words.
Why talk when a picture's worth 1,000 words?
Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. What someone actually does means more than what they say they will do. People's actions show their real attitudes rather than what they say. For example, his volunteering at the shelter showed that actions speak louder than words.
Well, actions speak louder than words.
Actions speak louder than words. And your actions, sir, are deafening.
His actions speak louder than my words ever could.
But for now, actions speak louder than words.
Beat around the bush. Beat around the bush. It means to avoid talking about what is important. When you are talking but not saying what you want to say, you're just stalling the subject. For example, stop beating around the bush and tell me what happened. I'm saying, stop going here and there. Just be direct and tell me what happened.
Don't beat around the bush, Leonard.
Wow, okay. Don't beat around the bush.
No point beating around the bush here.
Mr. Holloway, I won't beat around the bush.
And that's it for English idioms. I hope you enjoyed. Now go ahead, make your sentences with each of them in the comments below. I will check them, okay? And that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!